A sweet disclaimer before watching. If you have 5 minutes or less than that, then only continue watch. Otherwise, it would just break the flow as well as reduce your interest to continue further. A very warm welcome to you. Today we are going to discuss or throw a light on the gift giving etiquettes. Let's start. We all, one or the other way, get confused while offering or giving gifts to anyone, generally to our loved ones. But now, no worry. Some specialists have come up with a certain checklist of material: a scented candle, flowers in a vase, a box of chocolate, a variety of books, beautiful pens as we can see in the picture. They all look colorful. Notebook, which is considered one of the best options for offering money for family and closed ones. Research have shown that 80% of the people prefer money in attending marriages as a honor in India. Gift card contain money sum on a card. Let's take a glance in some of the following countries. First one, Saudi Arabia. You will be amazed, even I got shocked when I listened that alcohol containing items or food is a taboo as a gift honor for Saudi Arabian people. Similarly, in China, gifting watch or clock is disrespectful as a gift. Also, in Brazil, gifting brooch is a kind of shame for them. Therefore, we came to a conclusion after listening about these three countries that we should first see and analyze about likes and dislikes, be it country or people. Some of the etiquettes are here that we must execute in our day to day life, especially when we are giving or offering gifts to our beloved ones. Starting with the first one, gift for the receiver, not the giver. What does this mean? It reflects that we should look into the personal choice, not our choice. That means we have to look for the person choice whom we are giving gifts, not to our choice which suited us the best. Second one, never get too personal. Hence, jewelry or perfume is considered a private element of a thing, and we all should ignore or avoid while we are purchasing any gift. Moving forward with the third one, never give too expensive as it would automatically craft burden to the other person to gift with the same value as we can see in the picture, the diamond which may be worth in crores. Fourth one, if gifting to kids, we should always try to consultate to the parent first to choose what will work best for them. Coming to the fifth one, which says gift should not hint on something like about the mistake or the misleading event. As we have already done 5 etiquettes, can we revise it again? Yes. What was the first one? Gift for the receiver, not the giver. Second one, never get too personal. Hence, jewelry or perfume is considered a private element. Third one, never get too expensive as it would automatically create burden to the other person. Fourth one, if we are planning to gift a kid, we should always try to consultate to the parent first. And last but not the least, gift should not hint on something like yes, mistakes or misleading event. Starting with the sixth one, always include the gift receipt without a price tag, because price tag is something which we should not disclose it. I know you will be feeling poor like when all these etiquettes will get over. For your kind info, there are only 9 etiquettes, so be kind, be patient. These all etiquettes are worth listening to. We have already reached to the seventh etiquette, right, with not less than 3 minutes. See, that's the magic of etiquette. Now, as we can see in the picture, it says we should always wrap the gift if we are in doubt about something. The second last etiquette talks about that we should always include a note or maybe a tag of greeting as a token of love, a blessings to the other person who has given us the gifts and we are the receiver for it. The last but not the least etiquette is quite similar to the just now etiquette which we have done, but there is an extension of something to the last etiquette. Let's see what does this extend. It says we should show appreciation when receiving, and in case if we are receiving through mail, we should personally call them on phone to wish thank you, and if possible we can also send a note of appreciation and love in the following format: the name of a giver, something interesting about the giver and a gift, and at the end we can say thank you, right? That's all the etiquettes which we have done, and I must say that I have implement all these things, and it really helped me a lot, and I think it helped you too as well if you just implement, remember all these things in mind. Since we have covered all the gift giving etiquettes, let's end this on a sweet note. As we can see in the picture, yes, kindness begins with the understanding that we all struggle. That is the beautiful quote written by the Charles F. Glassman.